On January 9, 2022, Margate, Florida. Police arrived at a pizza shop after hearing that someone was using a stolen credit card, but things took a surprising turn when the person who owned the card showed up.
You have a good time at Walmart and Target?
You want to just be real, or where's the card at?
This Walmart, they tried to hit me. That was used here, and that one they hit for over $1,000.
How you doing? Somebody call from here? Is it these two over here? Okay, so what's the
Here's the card. Swipe it. The lady that owns the card just called me now. I'll leave it.
Hey, what's up, man? What's going on? You got an ID on you by chance?
I do not.
All right.
I wasn't driving.
Do you have an ID? I didn't ask you if you were driving.
Oh, no.
Okay. Just keep your hands out of your pockets for me, okay? Cool. Live in Margate. You live in Margate too? What's your first name?
Corey, C-O-R-Y.
Okay. Last name?
Nicholas, N-I-C-H-O-L-A-S.
Okay. How'd you guys pay for the pizza?
With a credit card.
Okay, what credit card?
My friend's home.
Okay. And where's your friend at?
Laura.
Laura? What's her last name?
I don't know.
Really? You realize I probably know the answers to the questions that I'm asking before, right? You wanna just be real, or you wanna keep going with the BS?
I found the credit card in my phone.
That's better. Okay, very good. Where's the card at? So you think it's cool to just use other people's credit cards, or what?
No.
All right. What if this was your card?
I would be really upset.
Huh?
We were just hungry. We didn't.
I would be
What does
really
that have to do
upset.
with anything?
It doesn't.
It doesn't.
Not
It doesn't.
credit.
It doesn't.
You were just hungry? What kind of excuse is that?
It's not an excuse, and I apologize. Sorry.
No, you got any other cards on you that don't belong to you? Can I check?
No.
Huh?
It's my card.
Okay, can I check?
Sure.
I don't want you reaching in your purse. I'm asking you if I can check to make sure that you don't have any other cards that don't belong to you on you.
Yes, you can.
Okay, very well.
I'm not Florida.
Alright, you can just go inside. I'll talk to you in a few minutes.
You have a good time at Walmart and Target?
Just go inside. I'll talk to you in a
Pieces of
minute.
shit.
Alright, for now, just put your hands behind your back. And you too. Put him. Until we figure this shit out. Huh? Yeah. Alright, have a seat on the wall. How'd you pay for the CVS cards?
What's the credit card?
Huh? Your credit card? Phone belong to you?
Yes.
The wallet belong to you?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Where's her wallet?
Black Coach wallet.
Where's her
I got
wallet?
rid of it.
Hmm?
I got rid of
Where is it?
it. I tossed it out the window.
Your card.
No, I didn't say about it.
You didn't? That's what it sounded like to me. What's your middle initial?
S.
S, like Sierra?
Sean.
Sean? Alright, let me ask you a question. I'm not asking for consent at the moment, but if I asked you for consent to search your vehicle, would you give consent? You can just run them. I'll be right back.
It's a black Coach wallet.
Hello.
I have Alio, my mother's driver's license
So,
is in it.
how did this all start? Did you lose your wallet?
I was at
stolen?
McDonald's. I left it in the bathroom right here.
Margate?
I left my wallet. I turned around, went back in. It was gone. So 411 was the first charge on the BJ's MasterCard.
Okay. Stop and go.
Yeah,
hey,
like
that's-
I can show you my
Okay.
emails. Discover. Like I've been canceling all
What
of
was the amount here?
38 and change. I had to freeze my American Express. So here, this
67?
3867.
this Walmart, they tried to hit me. This is
Which
where,
Walmart is that?
this one is the one in, I can get locations. You want me to call the credit card companies and get locations?
If you can, I'll get you a sheet of paper or something.
paper,
You get a
pen?
scrap paper or anything.
Please.
If you want to just itemize to the best that you can times and locations, because if it happened
Sure.
in another jurisdiction, they either one, they could respond here, or more than likely they'll probably just forward it to their detectives. I'll probably end up charging her tonight, and then they
Oh,
can
yeah, for
follow
sure.
up on other charges in other
Yeah,
cities.
because they hit that card that they have, it's a gray card with a check mark on it, and on the back it'll say BJ's Perks.
That's the one that was used here?
That was used
Okay.
here, and that one they hit for over $1,000.
And they
They
also-
hit liquor stores, Targets, Walmarts.
Okay. The main thing I need from you,
That's
if you
where it
can
was.
for me, is locations and times. And when they tell you, hey, Walmart, which Target, which...
Okay.
Because then what I can do is I can forward everything and get other jurisdictions involved.
Okay.
Because each time they do a transaction is a separate charge. Do you understand these rights? Okay. Do you wish to speak to me? Okay. How did this all start?
I went into the women's bathroom and I saw a wallet on the changing table.
Okay. Can you describe the wallet?
I just grabbed the wallet.
Can you describe it? Like what color? What was it? A brand name?
It was a black Coach wallet.
A black what?
Coach wallet.
Coach. There are certain things that I have discretion on, okay? And honesty is important. Alright, it usually goes a long way. Most people that I deal with lie to me on a constant basis. Okay, so far you've been pretty forthcoming. Okay? But so let's continue that trend of honesty that you've had. Okay? Were you at your house when he got to your house?
Yes.
Okay. And then you just left him there?
Yes, I did. And I went to McDonald's with my daughter.
Okay. He wasn't there. So if I go check the cameras at McDonald's, he's not going to be on the video.
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Yes, absolutely. He wasn't
So
there.
when did he become aware that you had cards that were not yours?
I called him and I told him.
When you were on your way home?
Yeah, after I dropped off my daughter.
Where'd you drop your daughter off?
At her dad's house in Plantation.
Okay.
I went with her to the Target in Plantation and I bought things there.
Okay. What did you buy there?
I bought her a toy and clothing for myself.
Are you working right now?
Yes.
You are.
I have a full-time job at Allied Doors, South Florida.
At where?
Allied Doors, South Florida. It's a garage door company.
What? I mean, are you hard up on money? I'm not trying to get into your personal business, but...
Yeah, I am. I just scrounged up all my money to pay my rent
Okay.
just yesterday.
Okay. So where's the Target at Plantation that you went to?
That is by the Broward Mall, Westfield Broward.
Okay, and about what time was that? More, not doesn't have to be exact.
I bought a laptop.
How much was that?
300.
300? About what time was that?
I have no idea.
Okay. And he wasn't with you at that point? Are we sure?
Yeah.
You've been super honest so far, so I just want to make sure. I'm just trying to establish the whole story. Are you sure he wasn't with you? I'm very good friends with the loss preventions girl over there. She can pull the video. And if I see him walk in with you, all your credibility is going to go out the window. Your face says it all, so you might as well just tell me.
It means I'm still really don't know all what's going on.
You know what's going on, man. You just don't want to tell me what's going on.
I don't want to say it.
Well, listen, what if I told you that this lady, the victim, has a timeline store by store of what places that you guys went to and utilized her cards?
I would say okay, but her and I only were together for the last maybe couple hours. So
Okay, and how many stores did you go with this young lady?
I'm here.
Okay, how many
We were here.
stores
And then
Where's here?
We were at CVS.
Okay.
And then I'm here at the pizza place.
You didn't go anywhere before that?
No.
So if I go look at the video that this victim gives me the timeline of Walmart, Target, etc., I'm not gonna see you on the video.
Let's go.
Come on, man. Don't lie straight to my face, man. Come on. I'm very tight with the loss preventions officer at Walmart, and I will have her send me a clip of the video right now.
I can't even remember, bro. This is like before 2010. I haven't been arrested or in trouble in well over a decade.
Did you purchase anything for yourself?
I don't know.
Who swiped the cards, you or her?
Her?
You don't sound too sure.
I mean,
Again, I'm gonna pull the video, man. So you might as well just be straight up. Every time? CVS, Walmart. Fix the pull for me. So if you're saying the laptop's from Margate Walmart, and so what did you do? You went and dropped that off and then went to Coral Springs Target? Because I thought you said you went from Walmart to Target.
Yeah, I dropped it off.
You dropped it off first. And what about, does Dollar Tree play in here somehow? Dollar Tree or Dollar General, one of those?
Dollar General? Yes.
Okay, which dollar? That was Margate, right?
Yeah.
Which one?
The one right there.
Oh, this one right here?
Yeah.
Did you hit that before CVS or after?
After.
After? So you went CVS, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, whatever it is, and then here.
I do.
Where do you work at?
Allied Doors, South Florida.
You know, all these places have cameras and every transaction's recorded.
Yeah, I honestly can't tell you why. I've been struggling. I don't know. I really don't feel like I have any excuses at this point. But I've been struggling and only able to pay bills and food, and that's it. So
it does say a lot that you've been very, very forthcoming with me, which I do appreciate.
And I appreciate it.
Where's
So
your?
there's nothing
but
you
I don't
can
think she's gonna be able to find her wallet. That's all that she cares about.
Where? So did you take the whole wallet?
Yeah.
You took the whole wallet and
Threw
then.
it out the window. I already had somebody go look.
Oh,
for it.
you threw it out the window. You took the cards out and then threw the wallet out the window.
You know? Did you happen to see what else was in there?
No. I just saw there was a bunch of cards.
Questions for right now?
No, thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, just have a seat for a couple more minutes, and we'll get it wrapped up here pretty soon. You definitely don't have her other cards with you. There should have been at least another one. No. Okay, so
These two cards.
you know. Okay,
Here,
these
I'll
are
show
both Mastercards. She
Yep,
said the
here.
Discover. Do you know if the Discover charge went through?
A couple of them did.
Okay, because she said the Discover she threw away because it wasn't working.
The one Target
Worked.
worked. And there's my credit one. Here's the MasterCard. Yeah, well, BJ's doesn't have a, well, obviously it's mine, but they don't have an app.
No, that's fine.
So
No big
I'm
deal.
on with them.
That's fine. I have most of the places that she went to.
They went to a liquor store.
Got that.
They went to Target's, Walmart's.
2 Walmarts.
Oh, Coral for sure.
Okay.
One in Sun,
Just-
the
I'll
441.
tell you the timeline that I have right now, and you.
This Walmart right here.
I might have missed that
They
one.
went to that one as
That
well.
one should have been. That one should have been prior to the Coral Springs Target.
Yeah, they went to that one right after they got my wallet. It's literally the McDonald's is there, the
And the
Walmart's
Walmart.
right there.
And then she dropped that off.
She's claiming that she threw it out the window at Atlantic and 441. I had 3 officers go look for it. So far, no luck.
She would have been going
I mean,
probably.
there's my purse and it's
She's
a
saying
Coke.
she threw it out by the Boston Market in the bushes. She said she just threw it out the window.
Yeah.
So unfortunately,
there's a bus stop there too.
unfortunately, we What all other than credit cards? What else did you have? An ID?
It's my license, my social, pictures of my dead mother, my dead father.
Unfortunately,
Like shit that I'll never get back, ever.
The victim said that the thieves didn't just spend $1,300, but they actually spent $6,300 using all of her cards.
The Target Discover went through, but this is one of the totals. They used about $1,300 on my BJ's card so far.
Alright, hop up for me. Nothing on your person that if I have a female come pat you down? Nothing? Alright. Can I check real quick? Check your pockets real quick. No drugs or nothing like that?
Before she leaves, you want me to have her?
No, it's good. Alright, relax your hands. I'm just gonna fix these a little bit. Nothing in your bra either, or nothing like that? When I have a sergeant come over here and check you?
I don't have anything.
Okay. I just gotta ask. You've been straight with me, so I don't, you know.
Can I tell you the truth about something?
What's up?
Her wallet is at my house. I felt like if I said I had her wallet still, I was going to get in more trouble, but...
Well, it's honestly, whether you have it or not, it's not gonna change anything.
It's at my house on the ottoman.
I appreciate it. Believe it or not, for her, you know how you said...
Everything is there.
Okay, listen. So you know how you said to me that, you know, what's done is done, whatever, there's nothing you can do to change it? Believe it or not, by you telling me that, it changes a lot. Because it doesn't change your charges, okay? Because what's done is done. Whether you're in possession of it still or not doesn't change your charges. You're not getting charged with anything. You're actually going to be much more likely for the victim to have a lot of mercy on you because pictures of her mother and father who passed away are in that wallet. So the fact that you have that is going to have, I'm sure, we don't determine what your charges, I mean, we don't necessarily determine like what your penalties are, your charges are. So I'm sure the victim, when she goes to court later, is going to be a lot more merciful when she realizes she's going to get her shit back. You know what I'm saying? Alright?
Where is he? Because he was with me?
He was with you. He's got the receipts. I think he has plenty of knowledge of what happened, too. So he's not quite as honest as you are. 1 second. Let me get this out. Listen. One and done, okay? Most of the people I deal with are repeat. Huh? One and done, alright? You're going to go down. You're going to see the judge in the morning. You're going to bond out. You'll probably be home by 10 a.m. tomorrow. Okay? But right now, we're going to go to the police station. You guys are going to hang out in the car. Once we get there, if you want to take your seatbelt off and do your best to relax. Alright? At least it's kind of cool out tonight. I'll crank the air up for you. I got to type some paperwork, so I'm going to stand up my car and type, and, you know, you guys can just...
My car is going to get towed?
Yeah. Because we're going to get a search warrant for it. Alright?
The woman was initially charged with felony counts of fraudulent use of a credit card, ×7, and criminal use of personal identification information, ×7, as well as a misdemeanor charge of petty theft. The state attorney's office only pursued 2 of the original charges before the woman was accepted into a pretrial intervention program for first-time nonviolent felony offenders, which has requirements similar to probation. 1 year later, after completing the terms of her PTI, the remaining charges were voluntarily abandoned by the prosecution, and her case was closed. The man, on the other hand, was not so lucky. He was also charged with felony counts of fraudulent use of a credit card ×5 and criminal use of personal identification information ×5. The state attorney's office only pursued 1 of each of the charges, and more than 3 years later, he was ordered to complete 24 months of state probation and to pay over $1,900 in court costs and fines. His probation is scheduled to end in January of 2027.